Hello again. Hamas is the government of the independent territory of Gaza and the surrounding towns such as Rafah and Khan Yunis. The Israelis withdrew from the territory almost 20 years ago in 2005, and 2 years later Hamas took control and have ruled the area ever since. Last year they ordered their forces to attack Israel and seize hundreds of hostages. The International Court of Justice in The Hague have now ordered the government of Gaza to release these people, as holding them is a war crime. At the same time, the court warned Israel to abide by international law and to take every step to avoid killing civilians. They did not order Israel to stop fighting. Here is what the court ruled in paragraph 85 of the judgment. The court deems it necessary to emphasise that all parties to the conflict in the Gaza Strip are bound by international humanitarian law. It is gravely concerned about the fate of the hostages abducted during the attack in Israel on the 7th of October 2023 and held since then by Hamas and other armed groups, and calls for their immediate and unconditional release. It was only after making this declaration that the court's judgment turned to Israel and said the State of Israel shall, in accordance with its obligations under the Convention on the Prevention and Punishment of the Crime of Genocide in relation to Palestinians in Gaza, take all measures within its power to prevent the commission of all acts within the scope of Article 2 of this Convention. There followed a list of things which Israel should not do. The rest of the judgment concerned advice to Israel about avoiding casualties, but no suggestion that the Israelis should halt their operation, merely that they should take care to minimise civilian casualties. What is interesting is that many news sources have not actually read the judgment, to which I give a link in the description to this video. Remember, Hamas have been ordered to do something. Israel has been advised to avoid doing certain things, although the court doesn't say that these are things which the Israelis have been doing. I think that people who really want to comment on this should take the trouble to read the actual judgment before saying anything, but few newspapers and television channels seem to want to do this. It's only by reading the judgment itself that one will see what the court said about Hamas and the hostages.